Hey guys, what's up? I forgot. No, I didn't forget. I was in a vlog, but then I started working out. Then my second workout, so I was like, no, yeah, what's wrong? Oh, gross. It looks creepy. And it's like in an angle. It looks like really gross, like all twiggy. Really. Well, anyways, I was gonna tell you guys that. Oh, that's gross. I was gonna tell you guys that. What's wrong with my face? Gosh, stupid lady. Okay, anyways. I was gonna tell you guys that I was bulking, like getting more meat and protein and shakes and everything, and trying to just get more muscle. I mean, just more. I guess like getting to be more. So I getting to be more. So I gain more muscle. Like, put all into muscle. I don't know. Oh, I don't know. No. So I getting to be more muscle instead of that. So yeah, that's what I was doing this week 2 of 5-week challenge thing. Then I was gonna go and kill someone. No, what? So weird. The things I say are just so weird sometimes. So yeah, that makes no sense at all. So tomorrow I get to start running. That's what I was gonna get to. I can start running and dancing, cardio and stuff like that. And go to the gym, and then I'm gonna edit the video. Hopefully it'll go up. I swear. This video does not go up. I will not promise you. I will not get any sleep. I will not let this video go past. It was supposed to be up Thursday, last week, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 4 days ago. I was so angry. I was my biggest, hugest pet peeve thing. Well, YOLO. No, it was not YOLO. I was just angry. So yeah, that's pretty much mainly it, guys. Not much is going on in Ticity Town. Oh, the lighting's better like this. Okay. So, the deodorant got all over me. Gross. But, yeah, I just wanted to say, oh, look at my knee. Look at my toes. Toes. Gross. Toes. I just want to say, hey, and I keep yawning. I think I need to go to sleep already. Yeah. So I'm going to sleep. And, we guys had a great day tomorrow. I'll vlog tomorrow. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Oh god, I am tired. I'm ready to go to sleep. Tomorrow, so, well, kind of. Where am I? I'm just tired, I'm just rambling. Alright, so I'm gonna go. Hope you guys have a great night, and yeah. Leave me some comments, and for next week's video, I have a vlog I'm editing for tomorrow. Okay? I'm so sleepy. Okay. I'll talk to you guys later. Mwah, kisses, hugs, and yeah. Good night, guys. Oh wait, good morning, afternoon, whenever you're seeing this. My friend George is in London. I'm in the UK, so this is morning time for George. So good morning, George, if you're watching this, or anybody in the UK, yeah. Good night to some people, and good evening to some. This is so crazy. I'm forever jet lagged. Okay, talk to you guys later. Good night.